Hello, November. Now then, I'm in the office. I'm freehand as well. I can spin round on my chair like this. Look at all the things that I own. If you got, I don't know, things stop now. Right, it's when you watch this, it's going to be December, but it's now November. I'm training all this month again. However, there's a considerable amount of stuff I need to do in the office. I've now been booked up to the end of the year, and every day I've got spare, I've set aside for doing stuff in the office and for myself, because I've considerable amount of stuff to do, because look at the state of all that training stuff there. It's half done. I'm actually going to deliver a motors course extremely cheaply at Apprentice 1-to-1 soon, just to give it all a trial out. The problem is, I can't get it off there because these panels here I've been building for someone, yeah? And this studio's all this crap is here. Look, there's just crap everywhere. So I've had a real good clean out in here today. I've got rid of a load of rubbish. That'll be going. I can then get that table here and get all these motors rigs put to bed, make sure everything's in them, get them all sorted out. All this just going on in the office, Stanford store, sorry, all that's going on in the office, yeah? In here, we have made considerable moves, as I will have alluded to in my last video, yeah? That box there, an ABB drive came in that box, probably 10 years ago, and it's been used to ferry my accounts to the accountants ever since. However, I'm just in the process now of taking all the paper out of the plastic wallets in my binders, taking all my personal information off the binders, and throwing it all in boxes. That's the last box I'll be archiving his accounts for the next 7 years. And all the stationery, all these folders, I'll keep a few of them, and all the plastic wallets, they're all going in the bin. They're not needed anymore. In fact, over here, I've regained a bit of shelf space, look, because that's where they used to live now. I am digital accounts now. I've also got some stuff going on for the office. I got a Linux Mint machine in my house now. I'm fucking sick of Windows. I don't want fucking Windows 11. I don't want Windows telling me I can't have a laptop that's fucking 10 years old when it works fine. Yeah, if it doesn't work, I'll throw it in the bin, but it does work. So that one there, I'm just putting Windows 10 on that, dual booting it with Linux Mint. The computer I have in my garage for just watching YouTube and doing shit, Linux Mint. One of these computers here, Linux Mint. The only computers that are going to be Windows in my gaff now are the 3 I use for actual work, and even that I might try and get rid of. There is a little idea that what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the graphics PC for the podcast to Linux Mint, and then I'm going to try and make that work for the podcast. And if that works, I'm going to convert the entire podcast setup to Linux Mint, because fuck it. Although I've just realised that I do use that for some customer-based stuff where I might need to use, what's that piece of shit software called? Teams. However, maybe I'll put a laptop there, because I don't want to go and buy a load of Windows 11 PCs. Fuck it, like, I don't need Windows 11 spying on me. So yeah, that's it. I'm in the office today and tomorrow. Welcome to November. Also, there's some changes afoot on the YouTube channel. I've been doing this shit every week for 2 years now. This is the 2-year point. While you're watching this now, will have ticked over, because I think my first blog was in December 2 years ago. So I can't continue to fucking pump out shit at this rate. Mainly because I've run out of stuff to say.
So that was a fucking lie.
And do. And I've got to concentrate on my work more because I'm getting busier, and I want to do better videos that don't last as long. Sorry, better videos, not as often. So I'm going to be looking at that. So yeah, I'll fill in that in a minute, but welcome to November. Right then, it's the day after yesterday, whatever day that is. It is, in fact, I'll tell you, that's properly how I do this. It's the 7th, yeah, I'm training all next week. My fucking throat's going again. For people in talk to me, I'm also dressed like a complete tramp, yeah. The water spark's coming to fetch that. He's going to come and check it this afternoon. Then when that's gone, I'm going to be able to get all the tables and the 3 motor test setups down there so I can prepare for the training. I've almost got the set back. I've got the old books put away. And in here, I've got my computer's working for entirely in here. I'm trying to dual boot this laptop so it runs Linux Mint and XP. It'd be like a scrap laptop for using software and stuff. I'm just installing a Linux Mint onto another touchscreen PC so that I can use it as home assistant. Yeah, so just got my office tied. My plan is now, as you'll see on this blog, is to get this office tied. So today, once the panel's gone and I've got the stuff out for the test rigs, I'm going to start getting all these test rigs sorted out for the training. I'm building a load of stuff at home, and I'm going to prove them all working here on the 3 tables for the 3 rigs. Then I can finally start cleaning out stores, because that needs doing. So yeah, actually getting some what I feel like is proper work instead of just talking to people, which has been nice. And I've got a few more days of this. I've got a considerable amount of other days booked in before Christmas for this, because I need to get my shit sorted out and shit moving, because at the minute, just don't move, it just lingers here. So yeah, I'm going to take some more stuff down the stores now, get some more boxes, sort some more training stuff out, just generally get stuff fucking moving instead of not moving, basically. So yeah, it's nice to be in the office doing my bits. A self-employed blog. It is literally the 14th of November. I'm trying 2391 for the last week. I'm driving there now. It's the last day. It's the exam today, yeah? Not a lot going off. This month is all training. I thought I'd allude to that, yeah? I just last night looked, because I can't remember dates. I'm fucking useless, man. I think I did too much in my younger days. Like, I can only remember, like, the year 2000 was... I can only associate things with music nowadays in my older years. So, like, for example, did you know Sorry Miss Jackson by the Outcast? That if I associate anything with that song, it's probably 2000 or 2001 that came out in the year 2000, yeah? Almost 26 years ago. But I can't associate anything with anything now. Because I can't associate with my kids because they just always look like a little human. So I can't tie a number to them, even though it's just because, oh, that happened when the child was 1. Or that happened when the child was 2, like, when was that? But anyway, I do have social media. Sorry that I have to use a fucking little handheld device to work out my dates, but I just looked back on LinkedIn and I left Conrad, the firm I was working for, in the end of January 23, 24, 25, yeah, 23. That's coming up for 2 years ago, yeah? 18 months I left that company. I was just thinking, because I looked for that to get a date, because obviously what I'll do is I'll do one of these blogs in January, and it'll be about like 2 years later what's gone off in a bit of detail. It's like, fucking hell, man, was that nearly 2 years ago? A lot of shit's gone down since then. This shit ain't panning out like I thought it would. Not in a bad way, like I'm earning the money, I'm getting the cash, like you'll notice that I'm wearing clean clothes on my way to work, which is nice, to earn the same money I'd earn when I was a Sparky. But I was going to allude to, yeah, because I'd like any comments you got, stuff like that, that'd be interesting, because I'm going to do something for this year. I listened to some podcasts when I'm driving, and I quite listened to Rory, what's his name? I'll put a picture of me, I think he's great. I just think he speaks like just sense, like the most down to earth, factual fucking bloke you can imagine for an advertising executive, yeah. And he in one of his podcasts just said something that really resonated with me, and it was that most people who meet the wives, the girlfriends, the partner, the boyfriend, whatever, whoever meets that special one, or like your best mate for life or something like that, they tend to meet them, yeah, at some random party they weren't even going to go to, or outside some pub because they was outside having a cigarette because they felt sick, or in town because they ran out of milk and they went to get a fucking bottle of milk or something, yeah. Basically all the good stuff, a lot of the good stuff that happens, a lot of the shit that goes down your life that actually ends up with you making money out of it, comes from fucking pure chance, absolute pure chance. For example, I decided to go and have a little go at teaching because I went on a teaching course with the army, and then I fucked off a job because the people I worked for were absolute cunts. And I just saw this ad in the paper and I was like, oh no, I saw an ad and there was like, wanted electrical lecturer, just needs to be an electrician and must be confident in front of people. I was like, fuck it, I'll go for that. Rang up, within 24 hours I'm down there and I'm teaching, and I end up delivering like course after course after course, in at the deep end with minimal teaching knowledge for weeks. And I ended up there for like 2 years. And by the end of it, I was basically fucking running the training centre. I was managing all the admin. So that's what I weren't doing. I weren't doing the admin or the sales, but I was managing the admin of the courses, the bums on the seats, the registers, the courses, the paperwork, all that shit. And I walked away there and I thought, I said to myself in the conversation, I was like, I basically used to run that place for the teaching side of it. And that was off like a random, oh, I need a quick job, oh, I reckon I could do that. Luckily, when I got there, one of their lecturer had fucked off, and they just needed someone to jump in there and just fucking take it over, which is my style anyway. I jump in there and take it over because I'm a fucking big player. But like, then I didn't do it for a long time. And then I went and got a job, didn't I? Went and worked for Conrad. Went and worked for the generating people for almost 2 years. And now it turns out, when I went back self-employed, look back on these blogs if you're fucking really bored. I mean, I have done now and again. Yeah, the first thing I rented was a massive store because I thought I'd be using it to get my van in and out and move tools and stuff around and move materials around. And actually, that store, I do use it, but it's more of a dumping ground. I got an office simply to get myself out of my house and my little girl's bedroom. And I had this big other office with it that I didn't think I wanted, that's now a studio and an admin area. And I end up using that much more than the store. That might change. I'm going to clean the store out for Christmas and get that done. You'll see that on here. But yeah, all that planning you're doing, if you're going to go self-employed, if you're going to go and do something, whatever you're going to do, all that planning you're doing. I mean, I'm not saying wing your wedding, you miss still go mental, but most things are chance. And if you think about it over your whole life, you probably won't be able to get to it, but I can certainly see for the past 2 years on what I set out to do and what I'm doing now, and the fact that I'm making coin, yeah, is that that chance works out in your favour if you play it right. Just to add, at this point, according to my books, for the 2 years I've been on my own, my profit has exceeded or matched or is heavily exceeded this time round the amount of money I was on at Conrad. So I'm not like fucking pumping them, like, but I'm doing as well or better as when I was with them. I'm not saying everyone will do that. Lots of business for the first year, but yeah, if you don't give that chance, if you don't give things a chance, they will never blossom, will they? So like, yeah, but obviously don't end up selling your arse for crack. But anyway, there we go. Self-employed blog. It's the 26th of November. Do you no, that's not the right one. I'm in the office. This is the first time I've been in the office since the last time I was in the office, which was fucking age ago. I've just not even been down here to do fuck all. Now my accounts are online. There's not that I don't have to come here. There's lots of things I enjoy playing with here, and lots of nice things that I have here, and lots of things I'm doing here, lots of project work on here. But I don't have to come here for the good running of my business, which has been a revelation. So I don't have to come here and do my accounts. So when I come here now, it's more leisurely. It's like this morning, I'm doing a motors course tomorrow in Wales. I'm just getting the bits and bobs for that. For 2 people, it would be really nice. Try out some own stuff. So yeah, I am alluding to in this video already that I'm going to be stopping doing as much on YouTube because the quality is crap. Yeah, what I'm pumping out is not what I want to do. There's a few long form videos I want to do. A few other things I want to do that are a bit more interesting. So I'm going to get to that. But yeah, it's nice to have a few hours in the office. Just a bit of tidying up, done a bit of admin and all that bollocks. Going to Wales. And then basically, I bet you'll see me again here on Friday, maybe talking some shit. And that's the end of November. It's just literally gone by. And yeah, nothing exciting's happening. I'm sorry that I'm not sorry, but I'm not sorry. Yeah, sometimes businesses are like this. Like the training, I come in here, 2391. That box has got everything you need in it. 3 of the other courses I run, that box there's got everything you need in it. You supplement it with a couple of other boxes that you take on every course, and that's it. Yeah, that's how organised it is. So as you can imagine, making a video about me picking up a box is pretty fucking boring. The actual things I've spoke about in this blog all allude to having that box ready and being ready to go. So yeah, not much happens. It's very easy money. You pick up a box, I go out, I do the paperwork, I tidy the box back up, I put the box back, and it's ready for next time. And that is great for me, earns me money as an electrician. It's not very good content for you, but yeah, that's why it's been so sparse this month. That's why it's not very quiet. And all I've got going off now is I'm alluding to some other videos because I'm just working on some things in the background for some of my longer form videos I'm going to do next year in more specific subjects. And I'm going to do a load of webinars because I think that'd be interesting and something different to do rather than this. So yeah, November. I'll show you some more of what I'm doing with motors course on Friday, but I'll just put this in because I'm just at the video now and I've got a day. So yeah, I'm here tossing it off. Not teaching for a change, not speaking for a change. That's what I'm doing now, dickhead. Anyway, now that panel's gone down the office, I've got my garage back for my projects I'm doing, which are numerous. That was it, just a little one tonight to get some dinner on that, to mount some relays in the office tomorrow. I've got the PLC test rig I need to finish off, that's coming on. I've got a load of motor controls testing course stuff to do. That's all that shit over there. So now I've got that panel out of the way, along with the design work I've been doing on my side, and not doing the podcast. I can hopefully now, and I've not edited a video for like 4 weeks, so hopefully now I can just crack on with doing what I used to do, rather than coming overnight and build a control panel, yeah. And when I'm teaching, that takes out. So yeah, hopefully normal service will resume now. Yo, self-employed blog, it's Friday and it's the, hang on, it's the 28th, right? So it's the last day of, it's the last working day of November, basically, yeah? I delivered my motors course yesterday, right? Because I went somewhere to deliver it and I delivered my one, right? Which is a bit like the one I went meant to deliver, but a bit more. I felt the customer would benefit from more about three-phase stuff. So I delivered the course was meant to deliver along with a load of my stuff. And it went really well. And I've just brought I've brought some of my stuff back, but I'm now laying it all out. And I spent the day laying it all out and just making sure everything's right and it's going to go in the boxes when I get back off holiday. So yeah, I've got it all going off. Yeah, it was very well received. The lads liked it. It's a course for electricians who want to get into a bit of testing. Yeah, with motors and stuff that haven't done it before. It's not for anyone that's got a little bit of knowledge. It's for people flat off. So that went really well. So I'm ending on a high this month for the fact that this course, by the new year, is going to be in boxes, ready to go mobile and deliver. So I'm quite happy about that. I did some actual content today, which I hadn't done for ages because I've been so busy. Used the set a bit, did something on interlocking, that was nice. That'll be on YouTube later. And yeah, so my holiday's going off now. When I get back, I'm going to get this shit put away, get all my testing stuff done, get all my training stuff done for my own courses, and hopefully in the new year, start delivering those, which will be interesting. So yeah, that's November. I think that's the end. December is coming up. Only 2 weeks working time in December. And December's always a weird one. It can either be crazy or not. So we'll see. I've not got a lot going on for December. I'm doing a lot of administration in this building. Sorting out my shit. So that might be interesting, it might not. But I'll see you then. Ta-ra.
Like and subscribe.